girl, you're so fine. I can't get you off my mind. Ooh, girl, nah, nah. Ooh, girl, nah, nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex.
Hey gorgeouses, hey riders, how you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back, guys. Welcome to another week. Welcome to another sit down video, and I do bring you back another tutorial, another hair video featuring curls. Now you can see that I look rather cute, and curls is always lacing a girl up. Okay, so I just want to say thank you so much to curls for sponsoring this video, and thank you so much once again for collaborating with me and to showcase your amazing quality hair. Guys, I can't wait to show you guys this tutorial. I'm super obsessed with this hair. If you guys know, and if you guys know my channel, you know that I always work with curls. They have such quality, amazing hair. And yeah, so they did send me this hair to review. This is the Lora lace. This is the Lora lace frontal. It is a 13 by 6. Yeah, I'm pretty much excited to show you guys how I installed this hair. Guys, can we talk about what lace? What lace? Like, what lace, guys? What lace? So the hair does come pre-plucked, but it was plucked further, and then also bleached the knots. The knots were bleached, and then I further bleached the knots. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for joining. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you guys think of this video. Thank you so much to my new subscribers. Welcome. My name is Boitumelo. Wow, guys, I didn't introduce myself when I started the video. Anyway, I'm so sorry. Hi to my new subscribers. My name is boitumelo.nxumalo, and here we talk about hair, we talk about beauty, we talk about lifestyle, we talk about everything that is all fun and good and motivational. We empower women, we love women, well, and guys. But majority, I think 100% of my audiences are women on YouTube, which is amazing because we are a woman empowerment channel here as well, okay? And we just want to look good all the time. Anyway, thank you guys so much for subscribing. So before wasting any further time, let's get started with this tutorial. Mwah. Okay guys, let's get started. The hair did come in this gorgeous packaging from Curls, and I did sort of wash the curls with my Imbue Curls conditioner. So I'm just fluffing out the hair. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put on my stocking, you know, to try and place the wig properly. As you can see, the wig was bleached, and it also comes with a band to help you basically adjust the wig in whichever way you want to adjust it. So I'm just going to cut it in 3 parts to make it easier for me to work with and to be able to lay the glue. Guys, can you just look at it melting already? I swear, it's literally coming out of my scalp. I mean, I haven't cut out the lace yet, like all over, but I swear it's coming out of my scalp. I am so obsessed. So I'm going to use an elastic band to on the edges so that it can lay further flat. Okay, so we can just melt that wig further, honey. So there were some parts that were lifting. I'm just going to further put the Got2b gel on those lifting parts and put back my elastic headband to further lay it down so that I don't have any problems later. And I do want to sleep with the wig and keep it maybe for 2 days as well. So I'm just making sure that it's secure. Okay, so your girl went and did her makeup off camera. Hey now. I am so obsessed with this hair. What do you even mean? Guys, Curls is literally the only company that has natural curls from the root. Like, I don't care who says what, but they are the only company that does this. Oh guys, I also forgot to mention the fact that the hair is a looser curl. It's a 3B, 3C texture. It's slightly different from the tighter Melissa curl that I reviewed before. Okay guys, so there you have it. This is what the hair looks like when it's when all the curls are like all puffed up, and you know, it's giving me that natural big curly girl look. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks when it's also wet, because you can rock it wet or you can rock it with nice big curls. It's just up to you, but this hair is so versatile, guys. I'm so obsessed. You guys know on this channel we love Curls is the girl that she says she is, because their curls are so natural. They 100% human hair, like I said, and they look real. Guys, first of all, what lace, like, I am so impressed. Like, I'm so impressed. Like, I'm super obsessed with curls. Like, anyway, let me just show you guys how it looks when it's wet. So I'm going to take my diamond brush to further enhance the curls, and just look at how easily the brush is gliding through. The hair is also very soft, guys, and the curls just pop out so easily. So just look at the difference when it's wet and when it's dry. It still both looks very nice. I like it. So you can rock it however you feel you want to rock it on that day. Okay, riders, so there you have it, the final look from my Curls. This is the Lora wig. As I said, it's a 14-inch, and it's human hair, and it's 150 density, even though it looks a lot more than that, guys. Like, the volume is actually quite insane. The volume is so nice, guys. This hair looks real. Nobody can tell me that this is not my hair. Okay. But guys, I'm super obsessed with this wig. I do have a coupon where you can save some coins and you can purchase this hair and save. Okay, so I will put it down in the description box down below. And yeah, so let me know what you guys think of this video. Give it a massive thumbs up. Let me know what you think, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, or subscribe, comment, and like, okay, whichever how it goes. Just support your girl. And thank you guys so much for your support. Thank you so much for the love all the time. In this channel, we all about fun, we're all about hair, we're all about beauty, we're all about life and lifestyle, okay, and we're all about women empowerment. And yeah, I just want to say thank you so much, guys. So I will see you guys on my next video. Okay, do have an amazing beautiful day. Mwah.
Baby girl, you're so fine, I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl,